So today we're on a plane. We are on top of foggy clouds. And we are just having a feast here.
What do we have?
And we got salami, cheesy crackers, and olives. And I've already eaten half of it. Hi, my name's Charlie.
Charlie?
Yeah.
Well, you're very cute, Charlie.
Yeah. Right up there.
Room tour.
Mummy, can I close the door?
A second. Oh, and it has a light in that wardrobe. Mini fridge.
What? Fridge? Where? Where's the
Wine
fridge?
glasses. Right there, you want to see if there's anything in it?
How do we open this?
Milk.
Of course. Yeah, always. Yeah, milk.
Shoreline Restaurant and Lobby Lounge.
Can we just leave the bag here?
SpongeBob.
I mean, don't tell me Tommy have to sleep in the same bed. Yes, we do.
Yes, you do.
I don't want to.
Too bad then.
They do the what's on at the SeaWorld and the Shoreline Restaurant closes
Nice
at
looking
8
chair.
p.m.
It's out there.
Dirty, kind of. Is it dirty? Can we go out there? Can we go out there? I got sushi. I'm eating meat right now.
Get you spot.
Right. I have what is it? I got a toast, French fries, chicken sandwich, butter, and crab. I don't have that. Okay, I got some ice cream, and I'll tell you what I got in it. So I got marshmallows, pavlova, gummy bears, sour, jelly beans. I don't know if I said that, but I might have. And marshmallows. I don't know if I said everything 2 times. That's all.
What did Tommy get?
I got all of the lollies. And I got chocolate ice cream. Sour gummy bears, normal gummy bears, marshmallows. I got a smiley, M&M's. And marshmallows and that snakes. I like them, I love them.
It's all SpongeBob themed, which is awesome.
Sorry about it.
Right, let's go look at the city. Look at that boat.